Hello Larissa, it is Brandon from the Nanaimo Honda, and here is one of our used Civics. This one is a 2020 Honda Civic Sport, because you mentioned, and believe me, I know, the taxes on new cars can be a little bit disheartening. This one is red, we also have it in blue. The Sport model is a mid-level trim with some of the features that you liked. You mentioned you wanted a sunroof, as well as, you know, just nice. You didn't want a base model, so here it is. LED headlights, fog lights. Did you know LED headlights are made to last like 50 times the duration of the old halogen or xenon or iridescent lights that were in older cars? You get a nice power seat here, so you can adjust all of those ways. Nice leather trimmed steering wheel. I personally drive one of these Honda Civics, so I might be a little biased when I say that this is a beautiful vehicle. You've got all your safety sensing Honda stuff, like your lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, collision mitigation braking, as well as adaptive cruise control with following. You can make your car set the distance of cars you want it to follow the car ahead of you. Like, yeah, if that makes sense. Here's your infotainment system. You can have wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can put maps on here. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, brake hold, as well as an electronic parking brake, and eco mode to get even better gas mileage. Right now, this one has an average, that can't be right. This does not get 26.2 liters per 100 kilometers in the last 1,000. These do get about 8 liters per 100 kilometers if you drive mostly city. And if you drive on the highway like you do, you can get, my car, I've gotten as low as 6 liters per 100 kilometers when I used to drive on the highway a bunch. So that's what this looks like in the front. In the back, for your space, here's what it looks like. I have the seat in front set up nice for me, and now it's set up nice for me as well, and it's still pretty spacious. I am a man who is about 6 foot, and I can fit pretty comfortably in the back of one of these Civics, so that I'm sure your kids will be able to as well. Here's a look at the trunk space now. You can, it might not seem like it, but you can fit a large bike in the back of these things. I've done it before. And here's a little look at your spare tire. So this is the Sport model that we have. I'll also show you a touring model. Has a little bit more of the luxury features, just so you know, if you would like one of those, if you would like some more luxury features, there is the option that we do have. And here is a look at another 2020 Honda Civic. The last one was a Sport, and this one is the touring model. So this is the top of the line. You do still get your fog lights, LED headlights. This one does have a sunroof as well. And with this one, the main thing that you do get is built-in navigation. Your trunk is the same. You get built-in navigation, as well as leather seating and different rims. This one is white, a beautiful white in my opinion. I have a white version of these, and I think white looks the best on these. Here's a look at your interior. You get a power seat for the driver, and as you can see, very similar. Leather steering wheel, heated seats. The main differences are in here. Also, this one has a blue styling, whereas the Sports have the red color styling. Here, you've got an actual map that works by satellite. And yeah, overall, pretty similar. Now you also get heated rear seats in this one. So if your kids happen to like being warm, you do have heated seats there, as well as the same amount of space. So also, I forgot to mention, you do get power seating for the passenger as well in this touring model. So tell me please if you like these two. I can also make you a video on the new Civic touring we have, and there is a 2026 Honda Civic hybrid sport model if you want to venture down that road and see how much the hybrid would save you in the end. Driving about 17,000 kilometers, you definitely get a benefit. But thank you for watching this video, and tell me if you like these. Bye.